Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Friend, one of my previous video how to install M.2 SSD card at laptop, one of my friend comment me that he was unable to install Windows at M.2 SSD card. So today I'm going to make one video how to install Windows at M.2 SSD card. Before starting this process, if you are new in this channel, then please hit the subscribe button with the bell icon so that you can get quick notification when I upload a new video on this channel. So let's start the video. So friends, for this process you need Windows CD or DVD, or you can use bootable pen drive. So I am going to use bootable pen drive. Here you can see this pen drive is bootable. If you don't know how to boot pen drive, then you can find my another video how to boot pen drive in 1 minute. You will find the video link in this video description. So now first I am going to plug in this USB drive into my laptop USB port. Here you can see the pen drive is now connected with my laptop. So here you can see the bootable pen drive. So after insert bootable pen drive or insert DVD or CD, then you need to restart. So after restart, go to your boot option. So I'm going to my boot option. Here you can see escape key for setup menu. Now I'm in my laptop setup menu. So after enter setup menu, go to your laptop boot device options. Here you can see my laptop boot device option is showing. So I'm going to press F9 for open my laptop boot device options. Okay, after enter the boot option, here you can see some option. Here you can see first one is USB hard drive. Second one is my SSD drive. Third one is network hard drive, and fourth one is notebook Ethernet. So when you go to your boot option, you need to select USB drive. If you enter CD or DVD, then select CD or DVD. So I'm selecting my USB because my USB drive is now boot with Windows 10. So I'm selecting my USB. Here you can see now it's loading Windows 10. So when you get this option, select your this option English, which you prefer. I'm going to select US, time and currency format, okay, United States. Select next, then select install. Then check this option. I accept the license terms, then select next. And here is the option, always select custom, do not select upgrade, select custom. Install Windows only. So here you can see my all drives are showing. This 3 drive is my normal hard disk drive, and this one my M.2 SSD card drive. Here you can see. So when you first time install M.2 SSD card, your M.2 SSD card may be showing this way. So when you need to select your M.2 SSD card drive, then if this delete option available, then select delete and delete your drive, and then again select your M.2 SSD card and select new, and enter your drive space size. So for C drive I like to 123 GB. So after enter your drive size, then select apply, then select OK. Here you can see one M.2 SSD drive is created, which I use for my laptop C drive, and here is one unused drive. Now I like to create another drive with this unused space. So OK, apply. So basically I divided my M.2 SSD card into two drive, one C drive and one is normal drive. So this one I like to, this two is my M.2 SSD card drive. This one I like to make this one C drive. You can only make your M.2 SSD card as your C drive. So 122 GB is enough for C drive, I think. So install Windows on M.2 SSD card. I'm selecting this SSD card drive, then select next, and here you can see Windows is installing on M.2 SSD card drive. So it may take some time. So to make this video short, I like to fast forward this video. So it's need to restart. Guys, make sure when you restart your computer, you disconnect the bootable pen drive from your laptop. Here you can see I already disconnect. If you insert CD, then you may see press any key to continue. Do not press any key to continue. So I need to press my fingerprint. If you do not unplug the pen drive, then your laptop or desktop may start again to load Windows from the first stage. So when you see this little symbol, then plugging the pen drive again. Okay, my PC again going to be restart, so I need to again unplug the pen drive. So I'm going to unplug, then again I need to swipe finger. Here you can see the Windows loading symbol is showing. Then you need to plug in the bootable pen drive again. Okay.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
So here is something.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Select yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Script.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. Just so you know, connecting to a network now type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account. And one more time to make sure we've got it right. Now you can set up 3 security questions to help you reset your password if you forget it. Choose the first question and type your answer. Now for the second one. Same drill. Third one's a charm. Choose your last question, type the answer, and you're good to go. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so these are the settings Microsoft Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Here you can see my Windows is installed on M.2 SSD card. So if I go to my computers, here you can see I'm using Windows 10. If I go to disk management, here you can see this is my normal disk drive, 465 GB, and this one my M.2 SSD card. The size is 2 to 3 GB. So here you can see this one my C drive on M.2 SSD, and this one normal drive. If I show my computer, this one here you can see this one my C drive 222 GB. So in this way you can easily install Windows on your M.2 SSD card. Guys, you need to install Windows normally, how to you install regularly, but one option you need to keep in mind: when you first time start your computer with the bootable pen drive or CD or DVD, you need to select your bootable pen drive or CD or DVD drive, and when you install Windows you need to select M.2 SSD card and make sure you create a partition of M.2, otherwise you are unable to install Windows on M.2 SSD card. So I hope you understand. If you face any problem, then please comment below. I'll try my best to give your comment reply. If you want to more video of this channel, then please subscribe this channel with the bell icon so that you will get quick notification when I upload a new video on this channel. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.